this issue of fitness for trial is technically not a medical issue. Di ba wala naman yung, Doc, i-certify mo nga ako, fit for trial. Walang ganun eh, fit to go back to work, fit to lift heavy things. Pero yung fit to stand trial, it's more a legal construct. So judges ang magpapasya as guided by experts. Ngayon, the defense presented an expert who said he is not fit for trial. Pero ito yung napaisip ako dati, ako, isi-cite kaya niya to. Pero kontra sa character eh, no? Strongman ako, ano ako, matapang pa sa kalabaw, ganyan. Tapos biglang ngayon may ganito pala. So, medyo inconsistent talaga na, ba't ka pa tumakbong mayor? So, di ba yung mga, sabi, lalaya si Tatay Digong at magiging mayor natin. Paano pa hindi siya fit for trial? Lalo hindi siya fit for to be a public official and so forth.